Man, this car has been the biggest pain in the world. What's going on, guys? Today I have the Invidia Catback Downpipe for the Bugeye. Currently have the catless on the Bugeye, and I'm actually gonna swap it out with this one. So today I'm gonna be installing that. I'm gonna, throw in some random sound clips of what I had before and what it sounded like stock. So let's get this started. I can't wait for this to be on, and yeah, do that. Oh my God. This thing is like way heavier than I expected. Everything about this thing is so nice. Like, the welds are amazing. First thing we're gonna do is get these 5 bolts off. We don't have PB Blaster, do we? No. We'll see how this goes. If it's too hard, you might have to run to the store and get some. You see? There it is. There's that stud. It is stripped completely. I have to get a Dremel and take off the old nut on it. I'm actually replacing this stud. How much did we fail, guys?
Scale 1 through 10, about 150.
It was terrible.
Yeah, why?
So, I had a guy come over. His name was Jason. Super nice guy. He took that terrible turbo stud out of my car. So when you're down here, from the downpipe to the catback, you're gonna have a spring bolt. Bigger side's 15 millimeter, other side's 12. You're gonna take that off. There's a bolt here, I just don't know the size. This bracket's broken, so we didn't ever put a bolt on it. I have a O2 sensor remover. So you just break this off and just let it hang. I don't know what this guy was thinking, but he put 2 gaskets and it's fucking breaking apart. In with a new one.
Very nice new one.
So for some reason, my O2 sensor, sorry for my rip load, my O2 sensor is not screwing in without almost feeling like it's wanting to strip. I don't know why that's an issue. This fit perfectly on the other downpipe, but it might be that this is starting to strip. So I'm gonna have to get a new O2 sensor. So what you're gonna do is you're going to bring up the downpipe. Also make sure you have a gasket in there, a brand new one. Also, I'd suggest putting some anti-seize on there, just so your bolts don't ever seize up. And yeah, pretty much everything is in reverse, and put her back on. Bolts to the downpipe to the catback, that is going to be torqued at 13 foot-pounds, and the one at the turbo connection is going to be 26. So go ahead and get a torque wrench and torque these down. So I've seen quite a few videos of when people flash their cars, but they don't actually show the connectors you need to plug in. So I'm going to show that just for any people that actually really don't know how to do it. They can see it on here. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Tune, Change Map, Reflash, and for California, you're going to be using, Stage 2 ACN 91. Yeah. All right, connect the white or blue. So for this generation, you're going to be using the white connector. And I will show you what it looks like down here. So down here, you're going to be plugging this white connector. Let me find it first. To this white connector right here. You just put it right in. Then you're going to press OK. And then it's going to say, please connect the green test mode connectors. So there's 2 green connectors here. You're plugging them together. Connectors right here. Okay. Then it says, please turn the ignition key to off, then turn it on immediately and press OK. Off, on, okay. Please turn it off to begin reinitialization. And then press OK. Continue. Please disconnect the white connector. Now, you might have to bring a screwdriver. Sometimes I have an issue with it, so go ahead and do that. There we go. That's a pain in the butt. And it's gonna say disconnect the test mode connectors. There we go. Press continue. Then it's gonna tell you to turn it back on. Into the on position, I mean. Press continue. Change map successful. Now we just turn it off and wait 15 seconds. So much better at driving stick. It's amazing.